Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 plugins that's going to save some extreme amount of time for you, and it already does for me. So the first plugin is Animation Composer. This stuff right here. Let me undock this. This has many stuff, but the most useful stuff here is the transitions. They have really nice camera transitions and all, like the shake transition. They're really nice. There's glitch transition I use all the time. Light transition I use all the time. I rarely use the shape transitions. Else than that, you also get many other things, which personally I don't use that much. They will be useful to you, like the cinematic titles and these stuff, these social media pop-outs and all, time counters. We have transitions, we have graphic elements, we have backgrounds, hand-drawn elements and all. And then one of the most useful things they have are the sound effects. They have a pretty good collection of sound effects. For example, this and this and this and this. So that's the animation composer. I will have all the plugin links in the description so you can just download them from there. And all of the plugins in this video are free. There is one plugin which is paid, but that plugin also has a free version. So basically all the plugins in this video you can get for free, or you can get the free version of them. Next we have BadFX. This one is also free, or at least it has a free version. I'm using the free version, and I have no problems with it. The best thing about it is not the packs and all, not these. Like these are amazing, yeah, no doubt about that. These are nice, but I don't really use them. Okay, so the main thing I use BadFX for is actually this assets here. From here, you can see, you can search for GIFs, memes, and stuff directly from here, for example. So you can get these kind of stuff directly from here without going onto a browser and then search and then going to Giphy or something and then searching. And not just that, you can also search images from Unsplash and Pexel here. You can also search stock videos from Pexel directly from here, and movie clips, of course, directly from here. And also you can search SFX, like sound effects and music, also directly from here. So for all of these things, you don't have to open your browser and then going on to search. You can just have these right from here. Like you can see, there are some examples of what you would search, like a whoosh sound effect, click, pop, beep, notification alarm, and blah blah blah. You can search everything from here. Like for example, I searched whoosh, and here I have a lot of search results. See. So that was BadFX. And the next plugin is something that comes inbuilt in Premiere, which is Film Impact. So like you can see all the effects of Film Impact start with FL. So there's only 1 or 2 plugins from Film Impact that I mean effects from Film Impact that I actually use, which is one of them is Wiggle. I use Wiggle a lot. Wait, let me show you what Wiggle does. So this is what Wiggle does. So it is basically a shake effect, but you don't have to go to the extra extent of getting a new plugin for just a shake effect, which I did in my Premiere 21, in my Premiere version 2021, where I had to like go to Cinecom or Red Giant to get just a shake effect. But now Premiere already has a shake effect, which is, if you guys didn't know, it's in the Film Impact plugin stuff, or Film Impact effects. So you can just go there and use this. The next plugin is a paid one. I use the paid one of it, is AEjuice. So I use the full package manager, and I personally have all of their plugin packs. So, but you can because I have the paid version. That's why I have all of these. But they do have the free versions of this. Like you can say free, free, free. These are in the free versions. You see, start a sound effect free, start a pack free. These are the free versions. But I use the paid version. So in paid version, you get a lot. Of course, you get a lot more. So the one of the best thing, in my opinion, that AEjuice has the best, in my opinion, are the sound effects. You would not get clothes sound effects anywhere else that easily, literally. And one of a different kind of sound effect I started using is ice. I never knew ice sound effects can be so good, and now I know. Other than that, other than sound effect is one of the favorite aspect of this plugin for me. If you're someone who do editing for clients and all, this has much more purpose and usefulness to it if you do like stuff for clients, because it has all these digital asset creation and all as well. You can customize all of these stuff and all of these stuff. It has a lot of stuff which you can use, like these lower thirds and all. I use these in editing podcasts in the intro, and you can see there are a lot, and there are lots of stuff. This is one of the only plugin whose paid version I have. All the other plugins I use are free. They are also useful. They are very useful. Since this one is paid, it offers a lot more, which is kind of obvious. That was three or maybe four of the plugins which I use on a daily basis, which makes my work a lot more smoother and faster. Thanks for watching.